Alright class, this is lesson 2.5. Adding whole numbers and decimals is for your homework, so let's take a look. Alright, we'll start off with a little puzzle penguin action. Dear math students, I'm ordering a CD from a catalog first. Nobody gets CDs anymore, but the price of a CD is $15 and the tax is 15 cents. Altogether then, I have to pay $30 for this CD. The tax makes the cost twice as much. Doesn't this seem unreasonable to you, or have I made some kind of mistake and I wrote duh? So Puzzle Penguin, not the sharpest penguin ever. This guy right here, not too smart. Well, anyways, if you look at it, $15, you have a decimal point here. You have 5 ones, 110, 0 cents. 15 cents, you have the decimal point over here. So what you have to do is line up the decimal points, add them up. The total cost of the CD should be $15.15, not $30. So his mistake was that the cents are hundredths of a dollar, and Puzzle Penguin needs to put a decimal point after the 15 and add zeros and to the cents to give $15.15, $15.00. Then line up the decimal point and add the two numbers together to get $15.15. Second problem, basically they're asking us to solve it mentally. Well, you have to just understand that 61 cents is 0.61, $42.01. So basically you're just adding up the 1 cent and the 61 cents to give you 62 cents, and then add up your wholes. So you got wholes and you got parts. Again, you want to be the columnator and ask, draw columns between your place value. So $42.62 would be the answer. Same question here. You have 42, so you put a decimal point, annex 2 zeros, draw your columns, add them up, you get $42.27. Here you have 3.4 meters plus 0.05 meters. So meters are wholes, so those are your meters. That's your decimeters here, and that's your centimeters here. So just draw your columns, add them up, 0 and 5, 4 and 0, and together they would make 3.45. So just make sure you're putting the numbers in the proper place value. So 3.45 meters is the total. I've already drawn the columns. I've put my numbers where they belong. Now we just need to add and regroup. So we have 6 and 7 is 13. Regroup the decimeter over there. 1 decimeter, 8 decimeters, and 3 decimeters equals 12 decimeters. Regroup 10 of those decimeters as a whole. 1, 8, and 1 makes 0, makes 10. Regroup that 10 up there. 1 and 3 makes 4. And your sum is 40 and 23 hundredths. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to draw your columns where they belong in between each place value. Notice there is nothing here, so put a 0 there to hold the place value, and then simply add them together. 0 and 6, 3 and 8 makes 11. Regroup the 1 up here. 1 and 6 is 7. 0 and 8, 807, and 16 hundredths is the sum. Same kind of problem, just bigger numbers, so we just add them up. 8 and 1 is 9, 6 and 5 is 11. Regroup the whole here. 1, 8 and 8 is 17. Regroup the 10 here. 1, 3, 7 is 11. Regroup the 100 here. 5, 7, 8. Go ahead and use a calculator to help check your answers. That's always recommended in math for mastery. So use a calculator to help you get the answers. 87,517 and 19 hundredths. And our final problem, Ajit is tracking how much rainfall falls at his house. The first day, 1.46 centimeters. The second day, 2.3 centimeters. Third day, 1.65 centimeters. How many centimeters fell over the 3 days? So here's my model. I have a part whole model. So I have day 1, day 2, day 3. Add those all up. I line them up vertically. Line up the decimal points like you should. Add the hundredths. 6 and 5 is 11. Regroup the tenths. 1, 4, 3, 6 makes 14. Regroup the wholes. 1, 1, 2, 1 makes 5. So altogether, 5 and 41 hundredths centimeters of rain fell over the 3 days. All right, there you go. Keep building mastery. Make sure you're asking for help with anything needed. And remember, asking for help builds mastery. Good job. Bye.